special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:45 a.m. At 1:41 a.m., a line of strong thunderstorms located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 52 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. This is No Weather Radio, KZZ 58 Kankakee. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 a.m. At 1:49 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richmond to near Woodstock to near Kingston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Park Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 59. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 51. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 51. Interstate 355 between mile markers 29 and 30. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Boone County Fairgrounds, Chino Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Moraine Hills State Park, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, 6. This is No Weather Radio, KZZ 58 Kankakee. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Kankakee, Will, and Iroquois counties in Illinois, as well as Newton and Lake counties in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 1:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 333, effective until 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Vero, Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Vermilion, Will, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's like World War III in here.
Severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 a.m. At 2:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Silky to Villa Park near Warrenville, moving south
I'd say
45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Calumet City, Addison, and Lansing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:15 a.m. At 2:49 a.m., a line of strong thunderstorms located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles southeast of Winthrop Harbor to 54 nautical miles south of Pleasant Prairie, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until these storms pass.
Oh, that's weird. That one got the E on. Okay. Let's probably see you guys again.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 4:45 a.m. At 3:38 a.m.,
That's for us.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Haven to Park Forest to Lakewood Shores, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, Chicago, Cheerville, Hobart, Lansing, Kankakee, Crown Point, New Lenox, Highland, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Madison, and Mokina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather report. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Kankakee, Will, and Iroquois counties in Illinois, as well as and Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued... That's it, out here. The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in northern Illinois, northwest Indiana, will be activated for watches and or warning affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.